Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something different. It's not even mommy related, but it's more of a excitement related kind of thing. So yeah, today's going to be an unboxing of something that I've always wanted for so long, and it's an investment, but it is for my husband, and he knew that I wanted this item for so long, and we finally were able to get it. So this video is actually going to be an unboxing slash mini Amazon haul, and I actually placed 2 orders, and this is why there's 2 items in here. I'm going to be unboxing my Canon G7x Mark II camera. So in this box is the camera, and in this package or in this little envelope, I'm guessing it's the 2 accessories or other 2 accessories that I ordered from Amazon, and I also show you the other item that I didn't order from Amazon, which I will get to in a little bit. If you guys love these kinds of videos, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in. I would really love for you guys to subscribe. I promise I am so exciting. This is my main channel, so this is my beauty channel slash mommy content channel, but I also do some other things. So I also have a vlog channel, which I always have linked down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. So if I'm looking kind of weird and I can't really focus because I bought a new tripod and I'm kind of testing it out, so hopefully I'm looking straight at you guys and not kind of weird. So like I said, I am unboxing a Canon G7x Mark II. I did order it from Amazon. I was going to order it from Best Buy, but I wanted to have it right away. We are going to a birthday weekend for my daughter. She's turning 14 next weekend, which is the weekend of March 12th. We're going to Greenville. It's kind of a staycation because it is in the other side of town, or the other town that we live in. I live in South Carolina, but she had wanted to go to Greenville, and we're doing like a hotel stay and going to the mall over there. The mall over there is much bigger than the mall here where we live, so it's a treat for all of us. But I wanted to get upgrade to a new vlog camera, because if you guys are not subscribed to my vlog channel, I do vlog with my iPhone 11, and sometimes the sound, the internal mic in there is not the best that it should, so I always tend to use my headphone that comes with the iPhone, and sometimes it's a pain. So I wanted a vlog camera that I don't have to worry about. I do own a Canon EOS Rebel T6, which I am filming right now, and obviously that camera is huge. So I'm not going to be vlogging around carrying a camera with that big of a huge model. So I decided that I wanted to invest in a Canon G7x Mark II. I know that the Canon G7x Mark III came out, but I did not hear any great reviews, especially with the autofocus part of it. So I decided to go with the Mark II, and I'm so glad that I did, and I'm so excited to use it. There are 3 things that I wanted to tell you guys before we head on to or start with the unboxing. First of all, I know that I said in my last video that I was going to post an Amazon find, like a favorite mommy related Amazon find video, but I'm not done editing it, so that should be up soon. And second thing, my nails are horrendous, so please don't mind that. And last but not least, I did kind of cheat. I did open up the box, the camera box, because I wanted to charge the camera battery, because it does take 2 hours for it to charge. And the only reason why I did that is because I wanted to show you guys how the camera works while I'm filming this. It does take 2 hours to charge the camera's battery, and I only have the time from, when my baby's nap. That's the only time I can film, so I don't have 2 hours to wait between now and while the camera is charging. So I decided to charge it, but I did put back the battery and the charger the way that it was packaged in the box, and I did not peek at the camera, so kind of a cheating, but that's okay. Anyway, let's just go ahead with this unboxing. Okay, so I had to stop because I just realized I didn't have my autofocus on, so hopefully the first part of this video is okay. Anyway, the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is an item that I had my husband pick up. He is a store manager at Dollar General that is right behind us. It's a 32GB memory or SD card. So this is the micro SD card, and this is it when you put this little thing right here onto this one right here. I've had this kind of SD card, but I have a 16 one, which is what I'm using for this camera right now. But I wanted this one to keep for my vlog camera. The Canon G7x is going to be my vlog camera. but I wanted to put this one on for my vlog camera so it has more storage. Alright, so let's go on to the other item. I'm going to move on to the one that's in the envelope. So for accessories for my vlog camera, I can say vlog channel, I decided to purchase a glass screen protector and a case. So I'm hoping it's in this bag. I'm not quite sure. I didn't get to check what was completely inside that box. I know for sure that the camera is inside the box. I don't know if the other ones are in there, but let me see what's in here. Okay, so both of the stuff that I ordered for the camera are in here. So the first one is this one right here. It's in this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is what I got for my camera lens, or not the camera lens, the actual screen. I got this because I've heard that it is a glass, so I needed something to protect the screen. So I got this one. This was only $6.99 on Amazon. Everything that I purchased for my camera, including the camera itself, will be listed in the description box. The SD card you can find anywhere. But this was $6.99 on Amazon, so I bought this one. It comes in 3 packs, and I've heard a lot of great, or I read a lot of great reviews on this, so I decided to pick this one up. And then I decided to get a case from this brand, or this company CRE, another company that I heard or read a lot of great reviews on it. I wanted to get a case, like a silicone case for the camera, because I do have kids and sometimes an accident prone, and I don't want to break this super expensive camera. So it does come with a cloth, like to wipe your camera down with. So this is a silicone case. I believe this was only $10.99 or $11.99 on Amazon, and it did come in different colors. I did choose black because I'm very basic. They did have pink, but I just wanted something that will kind of mesh well with the camera. So hopefully this will fit. It looks like this. So a lot of great reviews on this one, so I got this one. And last but not least is the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this garbage, and I will get the camera. So here is the box that the camera came in, and this is just what's inside right there, and inside is just the camera. I'm so excited. So like I said, I did open it to charge the battery, but I did put it back the way that it was packaged. So I did get, or decide on getting, the Canon G7x Mark II. Like I said, the G7x Mark III did not get a great review, especially for the autofocus part of it. So I decided to get the G7x Mark II. This is like the vlogger's dream camera. This was very expensive, so it was an investment, but I know that it'll be very worth it, and this will be used so much. And I also love to take pictures. I do take like my Christmas photo sessions of my kids using the camera that I'm filming with right now. But this is going to be great. This is actually a point and shoot one. The one that I'm filming with right now is a DSLR camera, but this is a point and shoot. But a lot of vloggers use this, and I will tell you the reason in a little bit. So this is how it is packaged, and of course you'll get everything in here. So you get all of these papers right here, including the manual, which I always save. I don't really read it, but I always save it. I still have the manual for the camera that I have, and I also keep the original box in case I decide to sell it for whatever reason, but I'm not gonna sell this one. But I always keep the original box just because it just makes it for a good storage. And then let's see, it does come with this little wristlet right here. So this is what the wristlet looks like, and you just attach this to your camera. Okay, and then on this side of the box are the camera battery and the camera charger. So I did put them back in the box the way that it was. So it does, here is the battery right here. So this is the original Canon battery that comes with the Canon G7x, and this is the camera charger. So you do plug this in onto the wall outlet. Don't have to worry about any extension cords or anything. So you just plug this in and you insert the battery like so. Sometimes I get confused on how to do it like now. Okay, so you insert it like this, and when you first insert it, or when you first plug it in, it'll be red saying that you need to get charged, and you'll know that it's charged once the green, or the light is green. Well, I can't talk. Once the light is green. So the green light will be over here, the charging stuff. And now for the main attraction. the star of the show is the actual camera. So like I said, I didn't even touch it. It came in this little bowl right here. I'm gonna put the other box down, and it comes nicely wrapped in this super thick protective thing right here. And here she is. Oh my goodness, it's so cute and so tiny. This is so tiny compared to my camera that I'm filming right now. So I'm so excited, and I will tell you the reason why this is such a staple in every vlogger, or for every vlogger, is because of the screen right here. So this is a flip up screen. So if I do remember, there you go. So you flip this up and you do like this, and there you go. And then you can just vlog like this, and I believe there's a way that you can, okay, so if you want to vlog like this one, like going face down without having to look down, you just angle it up like this, and then you can put your screen right there. So super cool. And that is this is the main reason why I got it. Not just because it's compact, much more compact than the Canon G7 that I'm filming with right now, but it's because of this flip screen. I have always wanted this camera for so long, and I finally have it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be inserting I'm not going to install the glass protection right now, but I'm going to insert the SD card as well as the battery. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. So I did insert the battery on here. I'm going to show you guys how you can insert this battery. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in. Okay, we are nice and zoomed. So this is where you will be putting the battery right here. This is where the battery compartment goes, as well as the SD card. And what you do is you just flip the flip the switch right there, like so. And then inside are my SD card as well as the battery. And then when you close it, I thought it was broken because it wasn't closing, but you gotta put the switch back on. So you gotta put the switch back to where it was. So it's now closed, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. So this is my very first time working this. I'm gonna unzoom you guys in. Okay, so we are zoomed back out. So this is my first time turning this on. So right here, maybe I'll zoom you back in. Okay, so right here you will see all of the diodes and stuff. So you have the on, off switch, and all of these things right here. Okay, so you guys, like I said, hopefully this is zoomed. This is focused. So like I said, excuse my nails. So again, this is where the turn on off button dial is, and all of the other little stuff in there. And then you have, this is what the camera looks like. I realized I didn't zoom you guys in on that one. And then the battery compartment is over here, right here. So like I said, you just switch this, you just unclick the switch, and then it comes out, and you put the battery in there, and then you put this, close that back up, and then put in the switch back, and then it locks it in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on with you guys. Right, let's turn this on. Alright, so it is showing me that I have to input the date as well as the time. Let me go ahead and do that right now, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have it now set up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and flip the screen. That's what I'm so excited about. That is what this flip screen looks like. It's so exciting, oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and record myself. Oh, it is so different if I record this way. Okay, so it's very different because you have to kind of like look at the lens instead of the viewfinder instead of the actual thing right here. So let me see how to do this. I'm actually gonna set this up in movie mode first. So when you want to set it up to movie mode, you obviously hit the record button somewhere over there, that red record button right here. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so we are recording. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and figure out how to adjust this lighting first. Okay guys, so I think I have it covered. I think I got it. Hopefully the lighting is okay, but I'm gonna compare how I look like when I'm recording here on my Canon G7x versus to how I'm recording on my T6. my Canon G7x. So this is what it looked like. Again, I have to try to get used to looking at the viewfinder instead of the actual screen. And I don't know, we'll see how it looks like when I edit. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how it looked like on my iPhone. I'm gonna go on to my iPhone and go on the video mode and record myself. So this is what it looked like with the Canon G7x, and on the other side, obviously on the other side of the screen, is how it looked like when recording on my iPhone. So the quality is different. I probably have to adjust the setting to the Canon G7x, but yeah, so far so good. So overall, I think the Canon G7x is really nice. I absolutely love the fact that it has that flip screen right here. Again, I have to play around with it and figure out how to use this thing, but so far so good. And I love that the screen is touchscreen, so you can hear that. And I also have to play around with the settings and the contrast and all of that. So far I'm loving it, so far, and I absolutely love it. So this is what the settings look like over here. So over here, so hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, so yeah, this is what the stuff looks like over here, and yeah, I really am in love with this. So I am super excited to be using this. Finally, I'm so excited that I finally have it on my hand, or in my hand. So amazing. I'm gonna turn this off for now. But I really love it. I'm so happy that I finally got this, and it's just, I'm going to be cherishing this for so long. By the way, this is where you put the little wristlet right here. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. I know it was super random and out of nowhere, and I really do like unboxings of other things than makeup items, but this is not makeup related, obviously. But who knows, maybe I'll use it to film, you know, to film an actual video like this one. We'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have purchased a Canon G7x Mark II, let me know what you guys think below, of the camera below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have tips for settings and anything that has to do with the Mark II, let me know in the comments. I would really love to hear from you guys. But I'm excited to use this finally to vlog. I'm so happy that I got this. I did not purchase a mini tripod because I just purchased a tripod, and I don't really know if I'm going to use it all the time, but if I feel that I do, if I feel that I need it, then I'll purchase one, because I did see one on Amazon for about 20 bucks. So not that bad. I think it's the Manfrotto one, and I've heard a lot of good things about that. Cannot wait to use this camera to vlog during our Greenville trip. I'm so excited. But yeah, again, if you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.